Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to restore company data in TallyPrime step by step. Restoring company data is very useful when you want to recover a backup after reinstalling TallyPrime, moving your data to a new computer, or restoring data that was accidentally deleted or corrupted. As long as you have a backup file, you can easily restore your company and continue working without creating everything again. So let's get started. Step 1. Open TallyPrime. Launch TallyPrime and go to the gateway of Tally. Step 2. Open the Restore option. Now press Alt+Y to open the Data menu. Select Backup and Restore. The Restore Companies screen will appear. Step 3. Select Backup Location. Choose the location where you saved the backup file. This could be local computer, USB drive, external drive, downloaded backup folder. Step 4. Select the company. Choose the company you want to restore. If multiple backups are available, select the latest version based on the date and time. Step 5. Restore the data. Press Ctrl+A to start the restore process. TallyPrime recreates the company data from the backup file. Once the restore process is complete, your company will be available in TallyPrime, and you can open it just like before. It's always a good practice to keep regular backups of your company data so you can quickly recover your information whenever needed. And that's it. This is how you can restore company data in TallyPrime. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.